Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Robin. If you're new here, if you're returning, hey y'all, hey. Okay, so I'm so excited about this video right now. Like, look at this. It looks so natural, so realistic. So this is the viral kinky curly wig with the 4C edges. Okay. Yes, so natural. These look exactly like my edges. A little more kinky, but they look more realistic than the straight edges that usually come on wigs. So yeah, this is their 4C edges, realistic Afro kinky edges, free parting. The lace is 13 by 4. It is their undetectable lace front wig. Okay, and this hair is of course from LUVME Hair. I've worked with them time and time again, and they never have disappointed me. So yeah, if y'all want to see how I installed this wig, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the box that it came in. Of course, it came with the wig. It came with some other accessories, a wig cap. I think this is a scarf, and I think that's a mirror and a edge brush. And here's the wig. So pretty. So I've already bleached the knots, and I plucked the hairline. I plucked it a little bit too much. Don't mind Peyton back there. She wanted to be in the camera. Okay, so now I have put the wig cap on, and I sprayed it down with the Got2b spray, the yellow bottle, and I let that just air dry by itself for like 15-20 minutes. And now I'm just going to cut off the excess cap, and for some reason it did not lay down on the edges. I don't know what I did wrong, but it's all right. I made it work. I tried to fix it, but no. So yeah, you just want to cut it all off and get it as close to the hairline as you can, but do not cut your hair. Be careful. Yes. Be careful. Use some good scissors. Okay, so now I'm just going to take some makeup and put that on the wig cap so it will match my skin tone a little better. Yeah, you just want to use makeup that's close to your skin tone. Okay, so here's the wig. I'm going to show you the construction of the wig. Of course, it comes with that elastic band in the back. It comes with one comb in the back and two on the sides. So now I'm just going to apply it and put that comb in the back. Okay. And it looks good already. So right now I'm just trying to like see how I'm going to wear it, like see how the, how the parts look, if I'm going to do a middle part, a side part, whatever. So it looks good already. I love it. The curls are bomb. I really didn't experience any tangling or shedding. I mean, it's curly hair, so just a tad bit. And I'm just going to pull back my hair with the clip. Okay. And to apply this wig, I used the Eben adhesive spray. It's in the black bottle. It's similar to the Got2b spray. I've never used the Eben spray before, but I've seen people use it. So I'm like, let me give it a try. And honestly, I like it. I think I like it better than the Got2b, but I don't know. This is my first time. So yeah, I just applied that to the lace, on top of the lace, on the hairline. Spray it all around. And try to hold it tightly as you can. And then I'm going to take the blow dryer and now the elastic band. So put the elastic band on tightly, because this is what's really going to melt down that lace and have it really looking good. Okay. All right, so now I let that sit on for like 15-20 minutes, and look at that. It's a little crusty. You're gonna have to take your comb to kind of, get it off from your from the lace. So now I'm just gonna cut the ear tabs off. Wigs are always way too big for my head. I don't know whose head is this big, but it ain't mine. Okay, so now you just want to cut off that lace, and don't mind the little crustiness. You can always get that off with alcohol or put some makeup on. So now I'm just gonna attempt to try to see what I'm gonna do with these 4C edges, because baby, this was kind of difficult. I mean, I edge control was not working. I don't know what I could have used. Maybe I don't know. But I made it work. Okay, so now I'm just putting this foam on here just to get it a little more wet, because I've already washed it, conditioned it, and all that, detangled it. So now I'm just refreshing it. I'm gonna attempt to do these edges. It's just not working out. I don't know why. On one side it worked out good, but the other side it was like not trying to do nothing right. I'm like, can I just do no edges? Okay, so right now I'm gonna try to fix the because I over plucked it a little bit. So I'm just going to take my edge brush, or you can take a rat tail comb and put it right there, and then you're going to take some black spray and spray it right there. See? Problem fixed. But anyway, I don't even end up putting it in the middle part. So as you can see, I'm going to move it to the side, and I'm going to do like a little swoop bang action. I thought it looked cute like that. So yeah, this is going to be the final look. So yes, I did the rest off camera, but this is what it turned out to be, y'all. And I am in love with this hair, with this curl pattern, with everything. The 4C edges turned out good, and I really love it. Y'all make sure y'all shop with LUVME Hair. They're an amazing company, very professional, always gets back to me very quickly, and their prices are reasonable. So make sure you check them out. Yes, look at the back. Curls so cute. Like, this could be my hair. Like, really, so realistic. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.